Here's how you can make sausage with no mystery meat.
The big companies, they take the carcass of the meat, all the bones and all that stuff, squishes it all, sucks out all the protein, you get magical goop.
We use real meat.
Real meat, made with love. Ground beef trim. When you have the steak, you cut out all the little pieces you don't want, the extra trimmings and stuff that makes it not look so pretty. Bam! Garlic paste, all the desi flavors you need.
My man just bit into a green Thai chili pepper. You thought it was gonna be sweet, eh?
Yep. Be careful to hold your breath. Oh, minced onions, 2 eggs for bindability, cayenne pepper, ground cumin, coriander, black pepper, and some breadcrumbs. Don't forget the salt. Get your farms in there. Keep your arteries nice and greased. You got some beef fat. This is all the flavor. This is the Sausagertron 3000. Good thing you're not afraid of heights. Just dump it all in.
It's a good thing I didn't fall in.
Synthetic casings here, they're made out of collagen, connective tissue from the skin of cows. Slide on the casing. Now this is where the magic happens. Hold firmly.
You see all the ingredients on the inside. Man, you like ketchup?
No, I don't.
Oh, there we go. One of the good ones.
But most people do, and it hurts my heart when I'm making a sandwich. Can you put some ketchup on it, please? And I'm like, the door's over there. It's homemade hot sauce. My mom, Guyanese pepper, sauerkraut. That's nice.
Good masala.
Your mom knows good spices. That's delicious. It's like a kebab.
What's the
but in
difference
sausage
between
form.
a sausage and a kebab?
Legally speaking, anything inside of a casing is a sausage.
And if there's no casing, it's a kebab.
And then it's kebab, yeah.